Hi, and welcome to Alva Tech Talks, a new series where we answer technical questions about motors and motion in under a minute. Today's question is, what are the main methods for mounting a frameless motor, focusing on the stator? A frameless motor is a rotor and stator without a housing, shaft and bearings. Here are some practical solutions to integrate a frameless stator into a mechanical assembly. Adhesive bonding is a perfectly suitable method for retention. The glue line should cover approximately 50 to 75% of the stator lamination height and can be axially controlled by the housing. Beware of the operating temperatures and thermal coefficients, as this may interfere with the bond line. Axial clamping can also provide a simple mechanical way to secure the stator, such as a clamp ring with bolts, but take consideration to the motor clamping force so it can withstand the motor torque. Press fitting your stator into the housing is another solution, but attention needs to be drawn to the thermal expansion of the two fitted components. When heat is applied, if their coefficients are mismatched, the fit could be compromised. Similarly, a shrink fit can be an effective way to avoid pressing, but one must still consider the operating temperatures the assembly will be subjected to. A combination with an adhesive bond line will aid in keeping the fit secure. Thanks for watching the episode of Alva Tech Talks. Have a question, drop it in the comments, and we might feature it next time.